Functional and technical documents for procedure maintenance and enhancement for AI modeling, DB01_insert_any_month. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. This document outlines the functionality and technical aspects of the stored procedure DB01_insert_any_month and explores potential areas for enhancement for use in AI modeling. Functionality. This procedure inserts data into a financial accounting system based on various parameters including transaction type, entity, account code, code, subledger, NSLR, ledger code, N-code 1, debit amount, ND_amount, credit amount, NC_amount, branch ID, NBR_ID, year, C_year, transaction date, P_date, output status, P_status. The procedure performs the following actions. 1. Extract the month from the P_date. 2. Retrieves the book code based on the provided parameters. 3. Optionally retrieves a new control account if NSLR is greater than 1. 4. Updates the MAS01 table based on transaction type. O. Increases debit, MD_1 and MDAMT, for the specified subledger and account in the transaction year and branch. O. If not a specific transaction type, not 15, increases debit for the book code as well. O. If NSLR is greater than 1, increase debit for the new control account as well. 5. Similar logic applies for credit amounts, MC_1 and MDAMT. 6. Executes month-specific logic based on the extracted month, currently just printing statements. 7. Checks for errors and sets the output status, P_status, accordingly, 0 for success, 2 for errors. Technical aspects. Language, T-SQL, Transact SQL. Database platform, Microsoft SQL Server. Input parameters. Entity, int, transaction type. Code, int, account code. NSLR, int, subledger. N-code 1, varchar, 10, ledger code. ND_amount, decimal, 14, 2, debit amount. NC_amount, decimal, 14, 2, credit amount. NBR_ID, varchar, 10, branch ID. C_year, int, year. P_date, date, transaction date. Output parameter. P_status, int output, status of the procedure, 0, success, 2, error. Tables accessed. Book01, stores book code information. SLMC01, stores subledger control account information. MAS01, main table for storing financial account data. Enhancements for AI modeling. This procedure can be enhanced for AI modeling purposes in several ways. Input flexibility, allow for additional input parameters relevant to AI models, such as predicted values, confidence scores, or category labels. Model integration, integrate the procedure with an AI model that can analyze data and suggest transaction parameters, example entity, ND_amount, NC_amount. Error handling, implement more granular error handling with specific error codes for different types of issues. Logging, add logging functionality to capture procedure execution details, including input parameters, timestamps, and output status. This data can be valuable for training and monitoring AI models. Month-specific logic, develop actual logic for each month based on specific accounting needs. This logic could be driven by AI models to automate month-end closing processes or other financial tasks. Overall, this procedure provides a foundation for integrating AI models into financial accounting systems. By incorporating the suggested enhancements, you can leverage AI to automate tasks, improve accuracy, and gain deeper insights from your financial data. Thanks.